What's up? I am up at the crack, the literal crack of dawn, 10:22. Because if you know me, the people that do know me, I don't wake up this early. Or if I do, I'm still laying in the bed. Today, I'm going to be dyeing my hair. As you can see, it's just wild and just crazy. For those of you that do know me, I've had brown since 6th, 7th grade, so it's kind of old now. So I'm thinking about, I'm just surprised, y'all. Yeah, a lot of people have been asking me what color I'm gonna get, and you feel me, what I want to do. Some people tell me to cut it, and that's definitely not an option. You try it. So, also, another thing, I've been drinking a gallon of water a day. This is like the 12th or 13th. It's either the 13th or something day. I skipped Sunday, which today is Tuesday. I skipped Sunday just because I was like too crunched in with time and stuff, and I just wasn't gonna drink a whole bunch in one setting because that's not good. But I have been drinking a gallon a day, so yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get there.
It still ain't moved, so it's like I feel like just be consistent and keep doing what you got, what you've been doing. It'll come. I think about Carly B too, though. You know what I'm saying? Just think about her. Like she been doing that thing. Your curls will really be popping. One thing about it, though, people know they can do that too, so that's why they keep doing it. Same way like a bully. I am a hairstylist here at Salon 7. I am located on 210 25th Avenue North, where we have free valet, and also we have a parking garage. I am a natural hairstylist that silks hair, do sew-ins, anything for men or women, color hair. So please come and see me at 210 25th Avenue North. Bye.